After taking a look at the theoretical foundations of different types of microscopes, let's now take a look at how high-content imaging devices have developed over the years. This has been a journey marked by lots of new technology and more automation. The journey began with the advent of motorized instruments. At first, these were traditional optical microscopes that had been enhanced with motorized components. These devices had binoculars, which let the user look at and analyze specimens through the eyepieces. Operators used extensive control protocols to make sure the instruments were calibrated and to be able to make adjustments during measurements if necessary. Even though these microscopes were motorized, they still needed manual input to ensure accuracy and consistent results. To get reliable and stable results, researchers needed to keep a close eye on things throughout the whole recording sessions. As technology advanced, the next big step was the introduction of better automated microscopes that used advanced software and hardware integration. This allowed for automated focus, stage movement, and image capture. This automation meant that operators didn't have to make constant manual adjustments and supervise the imaging sessions as much, so they could be longer and more complex without affecting the accuracy too much. The software let them program image acquisition control protocols, which made the experiments more efficient and repeatable.